Well, hello and welcome to this higher tier question on ratio and algebraic equations on algebra. Again, a higher tier question, as I said earlier. And here we go. It says uh, the prices of two gadgets are in the ratio A to B. When the prices are both increased by 15 euros, the ratio now becomes 5 to 2. When the prices are both reduced by 5 euros, the ratio becomes 5 to 1. Then it says, express the ratio A to B in its lowest terms and explain how you got your answer. Okay, now if we write down the ratio as A plus 15 to B plus 15, that's similar to 5 to 2. If we then rewrite this as fractions, A plus 15 divided by B plus 15 is equal to 5 over 2. And when we cross multiply, we end up with 2A plus 30 is equal to 5B plus 75. Now, I've written 5B in red to help me explain what I'm doing at a later stage. Right. Now, ratios again. Now, A minus 5 to B minus 5 is similar to 5 to 1. And if we then express this as fractions again, A minus 5 divided by B minus 5 is equal to 5 over 1. If we then cross multiply, we end up with A minus 5 is equal to 5 into 5B minus 25. And that's my equation 2. And from equation 2, we end up with 5B is equal to A plus 20, because if we add 25 to both sides, we end up with 5B is equal to 20. Sorry, 5 is equal to A plus 20. Now, if we then substitute 5 is equal to A plus 20 into equation 1, we end up with 2A plus 30 is equal to A plus 20, which is 5B, plus 75. Now, if we then subtract 30 from both sides and subtract A from both sides, we end up with A is equal to 95 minus 30. So A has a value of 65. Now, if we then substitute A is equal to 65 into equation 2, we end up with 5B is equal to 65 plus 20. Now, 65 plus 20 is 85. Divide both sides by 5, we end up with B is equal to 17. Now, I want to check. We've got A is equal to 65 and B is 17. Now, let's check if you're right. If we go back to the first ratio, if we then say 65 plus 15 divided by 17 plus 15, now 65 plus 15 give us 80, and 75 plus 15 give us 32. If we divide the numerator by 16 and the denominator by 16, we end up with 5 to 2. So 65 and 17 are both correct. Now, it says express the ratio A to B in its lowest terms. Now, 17 is a prime number, so it cannot be reduced any further. And 65 is not a multiple of 17, so we end up with 65 to 17 as our answer. Now, I hope all that made some sense, and please subscribe. Thank you for watching, and bye-bye now.